Hey, if you want to set up your M button on the Marshall Major 5, all you have to do is just open the Marshall application. You have to move into the M button, and from here you can actually find these options. So you can enable the Spotify tab, the equalizer, and if you set the equalizer we can actually pick the different presets, but we actually cannot change them. So you can actually press the M button to go for the Marshall one, and this second one will be actually this one that you actually set that you are actually using right now. So as you can see, I'm using the custom one, so I can change between the custom. But if I switch here for the bass boost and go there, I will get the bass boost. So unfortunately we cannot set here, for example, this custom one. I mean custom, I don't know how to say it correctly. Never mind. You will probably know what I'm talking about. I'm just not native speaker, so it's hard to me sometimes to explain some functions. From here we get also the voice assistant. So if you are using the Android devices, it will be probably the Google or the Bixby. If you are using Samsung, if you are using the iPhone or iPad, it will be probably the Siri. Or you can actually do nothing if you don't want to use the M button. So yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.